Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today is long-awaited feature is ready. It's components, which is based on the partially synced patterns inside the WordPress. So let's dive inside and see how it's working. So you open this reusable templates and add the pattern as usual. You also need to make it synced, and make the name, for example, cart component. Okay, great. Now I want to import some template. For example, I will use this one, card section. Okay, and now I want to simply copy just one card because it's your testing purpose, and I put it here. And also I will add some maximum size. It will be, for example, this value. Okay, I make the publish. Now I go to some of the pages. And let's add this card template. I will add also section and enable columns and make it 3 column. Okay, now I can drop this card component inside this template, and then I need to duplicate it and put all 3 cards. Okay, great. And the problem now is that it's not editable. But if I change template here, for example, I change the title. If I save and reload, as you see, all 3 cards will be updated. But I want to have such card that will be partially synced. So some of parts will be static, and I want to have the control from the template of this card. But some part will be dynamic, and you can update, for example, content of title and link and icon inside of each card. So how it's working? And it's working very easily. You just click on the element that you want to change and enable pattern overrides. So for example, I add title, content, link, icon. Great, now save it and return back to our templates. And now if you click on the template, you will see that we have this area with content that can be editable inside each of this reusable template. So click on this content. Now you can change it from this place, from toolbar. So I click on change icon. For example, I set another icon, and as you see, it's working. When you change the text, you can simply click on the text and change it directly on this part of the template. The same is here. When I need to change the link, I click on edit link, and I can set my custom link. Okay, great. As you see that we changed this part and we changed the content, but the design can be controlled from the template. For example, I return back to my template. For example, I want to change the design of this button. So I go here and simply change the design. Now return back. As you see, the content stays the same that we added previously. This feature can be added not only for the text content, but also for images and videos and YouTube lightboxes, video lightboxes, and we continue to add more and more blocks to this feature. So let's try to do this with image. So I will remove this icon. And I also enable pattern overrides. I also can replace now my image to something another. Great, as you see, it's working. Also, some blocks have possibility to override not only links but also additional attributes, and you can find them inside this pencil icon. So click on this, and for image you can also add alt text and title, so it's very easy to do this from this place. There is additional feature inside the Greenshift, and it's called pattern instance. For example, you want to have one of the card to have different color. So every card will be the same color, but one card will have another background. And for this we have this special extra option. Click on this and create instance controller. If you check now, your card component is added inside the extra layer. It's pattern instance, and it has created special class that can be used to override any design of this card. So let's back to our template, and now I want to select my item that I want to be overridden from the instance. So this is my card background and it's controlled by this class. But I think it's better to add some unique names that you can understand. For example, it will be card container, something like this. Okay, great. I save it. Now select our instance controller. Click on this class, click on subselector, and select our created class. This will be added here also all our custom root classes and all our custom classes that we added on our block. So you can simply click on this. Now you can override our special parameter. It was image background. Now, as you see, we have a custom design option for specific template, for specific pattern. Components is great tool if you want to have specific pattern to be existed on the whole site and with some changes inside the content. But if you need something that will exist only on one page, there is no sense to use this component because Greenshift has special feature which is called design components, and I will show you how it's working. We have a special video about this that will explain this in depth, but I want to show you in a very short format. So for example, we have the card, and you click on this icon and create make instance of current block. Now, if you want to change something, simply change this here, and you will find this special button that will show you that you can control the design inside another element. So click on this local. Now you can select and change the design. For example, here you can click and change the font size, and it will be changed in all cards. So if you want to have something like a block that inherits the design from another block, this option with instance of current block will be more valuable and will be more fast. Also, there is a feature that we have that is called Style Manager. So if you want to create a design that is based on the classes, it will be more preferable way to do this, but we will talk about this in next video.